This is the computer that is included with the auction. The monitor is not included with the auction, nor is the keyboard or the mouse. I'm going to start Sherline CNC interface. Interface comes on. I'm going to switch to rapid for demonstration purposes. First we're going to go turn on the side switch that controls the power to the steppers. The red light indicates power is on. Now let's try to jog Y. Now let's jog the rotary table. As you can see, the feedback comes through the interface. It's ready for program to run. All you have to do is hook it up to a bed.